Hey you guys, it's Steez. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been like probably the longest I haven't posted in forever, but so I just decided like I was in the mood to walk you guys through how I completed this look. And I'll let you guys kind of like get a look in the light, and then I'll show you the products that I used. And by the way, this is the first video that I've ever shot in my bathroom in my camper. But I'm wearing my little Nike jogging attire that's like dry proof or dry resistant or something, or sweat proof, I don't know. But I was feeling very androgynous and very feminine, and I wanted to just make myself look that way as well as not just feeling that way. So to all of my friends watching and everybody that's watching me with an agenda, that's okay too. I love everyone. Haters, trolls, fake friends, real friends, subscribers, non-subscribers, and everyone in between. But let's get started with the first product. We'll start with eyes, and for my eyes, I started with this Clinique High Impact Mascara, Optimal. Let's see if you guys can get a shot of that. Clinique. Oh, there it is. Okay. And I use this because it has black and white or whatever, but I use the black part of the mascara for drawing on my eyebrows. That's why it took me a minute because like eyebrows are my hardest or my most difficult part or whatever, and that's why I don't do them on camera, and I kind of like show you like a makeup tutorial or get ready with me after the fact because it's just difficult to do them on camera because like you can't really see as it's not like an actual mirror image, if that makes sense. But okay, so I use these for my brows as well as the top layer of my eyelashes, and then for mascara, I decided to go in with a not mascara. Or for eyeliner, I went in with a combination of this one of my favorite iconic brands. And I love this shade. It's beautiful. I don't know. I'll let you guys get a look at my lips before I show you the products. Yeah, I think it works really well with my skin tone, and I love it. But the first product that I used on my lips, I used this one for lip liner. I use them both for lip liner actually. I just combined the two. But this one is the Rimmel London 014 Wild Clover. And then I just I think this is just like a drugstore lip pencil, but I'll let you guys see like if you can see the shade better in the light or whatever. But if you compare the two colors to my lips in the light, I think it really worked. I think they really worked well together. Okay, and then we'll go to. Let's start with. Okay, we'll just. I should have probably started with foundation, but okay. I just used my go-to foundation. It's my favorite shade. It matches my skin tone perfectly. It's L'Oreal Infallible. Never Fail Powder. SPF 20 sunscreen. 664 Creamy Natural. And it's fantastic. I was broken out in a few places and stuff, and like you can barely see it. And okay, then back to eyes because I totally forgot to mention the best part, the eyeshadow, which is ridiculous. But once again I used my Morphe 25K, the iconic Morphe 25K palette for not only my eyeshadow, of course, but and I went in with this brush or whatever for my my eyeshadow, and I will show you guys the shade. The shade that I chose was this one right here. This I would describe it as, let me get in the light. There you go. I would describe this as, and it's very pigmented as you can see. I mean, you barely have to. You barely tap it, and it's like, there's so much on there, and yeah, it's you have to tap it before you put it on. But no, that's how I got the golden look on my eyeshadow, and it blended perfectly. But I also used this to kind of give a glittery tone to, I don't know if you guys can see in the light, but a glittery tone to my eyebrows as well. And while we have my Morphe palette out, I'll just go ahead and tell you guys that I went in that I used for highlighter. I used this beautiful white shade right here. Right here. Went in with it like this, about 5 seconds worth of like that, and then tap tap. I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm Steez. Once again, thank you if you made it this far. We're at the 5.5 minute mark, and I hope you like this kind of thing because I'm not just a Mandela Effect channel. I'm so much more than that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make the announcement. After I'm done filming this video, I'm going to make the first installment of my first ever series of videos, and it's going to be a docu-series, and it's about I'm not going to I'm not going to tell you what it's about, but it's going to be a 5-part series, and I'm going to release one every day, and every single one of the 5-part series regarding the paranormal and my own personal encounters with paranormal activity, and just so just to prove to others that I'm not unaffected, and that I'm not an idiot, and I'm not a phony, because you'll see once you hear these stories from my childhood, etc., like later on by my next video, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It's the hardest I've worked on anything so far, and you guys are going to get to see so much more of me as a creator, as a human being, and I'm not just a Mandela Effect channel, because Mandela Effect doesn't rule my life like it does 95% of the. I'm not gonna make a rash judgment or assume I know like a percentage, but I assume a large sum of people within the community like are like they're not necessarily open to somebody like me who's gay, and somebody like me who is completely vulnerable and wears their heart on their sleeve, but also somebody that like is very, very kind. And people sometimes mistake they people mistake kindness for weakness, but also they mistake it for phoniness. And comment down below, let me know. Have you ever thought that I was phony on this channel? I want your honest feedback, because I've never been phony once ever, and on my channel. But we'll get to that in the next video. Like I said, I love you so much if you made it this far once again. But with the highlighter, once again, I forgot to tell you guys that I went in on my nose. I'll just put a little bit more. Look at that. Look at the pigment. Look at that. That's gorgeous. You always have to go in on the little bit of the nose. Yep. And then the Cupid's bow, of course. I blew it out of my mustache, by the way, if you guys are wondering what I was doing. But I'm sure you can see like how blended a little bit with my finger. Okay. Well, I can just use the brush. Okay, bigger brush time. Oh, by the way, back to foundation. Okay, so I went in with not the little cheap brush that they give you, because I hate those. But I went in with this I believe it's like it's a Revlon brush. It doesn't say the number on it, but I prefer the ones with no handle whenever I'm going in close to my face, like especially with foundation. So I went in with like this with it, and I only used about this much, if you guys can see. Like I'll tap it close like this, you can see the fallout a little bit, and that's about as much as I used like for my entire face. And as you can see, like it's really, really good. It worked really, really well. Okay, and then we'll go to the next product. I used this for, okay, we'll go back to lips or whatever, but for lipstick and lip gloss. And for lipstick, liquid lipstick, I used one of my favorite lipstick of all time, my favorite shade. It is it's liquid lipstick. It's matte. It's a matte finish, and it's made by Maybelline in New York, and it's called Superstay Lip Color. I'm sure you guys can see it right here. But it's iconic. It's wonderful. It's everything. And then this, I topped it on top of this the Maybelline product that I was just referring to, and that's why my lips are so shiny and pouty. But okay. And the last product that I used to contour with, but as well as blush, is this. and it's totally like, I've had this product for about 5 years. It's, but I stand by it. It's called Shimmer Dust. It's by LA Colors, and, it's everything. I'm sure you guys can see, in the light, in certain, especially like right here, and right here. I'll put a little bit more on, why not? You see how it works as blush? But it also has that glittery tone in it. But I love you so much for being here, regardless of your intent. You know, the more the more that I grow up, and the more that I'm awakened, and I realize like who I really am as a person. The more I realize that I'm okay with me, and I don't what people think about me is their business, and I just I wish everybody nothing but the best, and I will always continue to kill everyone with kindness. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it this far. Oh my god, we're at the almost 11-minute mark. Okay, do you guys like this look? Do you think, is this something you'd like to see? Would you like to see, more of this kind of thing on my channel? If so, please let me know. Comment down below. Feel free to hang out, chat me at OusleySteven, OusleySteven@gmail.com, OusleySteven@gmail.com. And if you want to find me on Twitter, it's just @Steesburger, exactly like my YouTube name, no spaces and all lowercase. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and or not subscribe, that's okay. As long as you're here and you're having fun with me and enjoying being creative and incorporating Mandela effect stuff and things of that nature, and you're excited about my upcoming 5-part series that I've like been working on, and I'm still not done with the outline, but I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, what does Cheeseburger love? His motherfucking cheeseburgers.